Severe weather is the focus here in Pittsburgh right now. Let's get the latest on what's happening and what's ahead for us from meteorologist Ray Petelin. He's live at home. Ray.
Well, this shot says it all. This is one of those storms north of Pittsburgh that's going to be moving into areas of Cranberry, Pine Township, Wexford, and up towards Zelienople. So we're watching this line of storms up there, but there are several severe thunderstorms on the board that we are watching this evening. And we're going to start off down to the south, where we have a flash flood warning still for areas between Uniontown and Connellsville. We've seen some heavy rain just sitting in place here. That's flash flood warning continues till 7:45. Around it, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning, and you can see from Republic up towards West Pike Run back to Redstone. This is where we're seeing some of the heaviest precipitation, some potentially damaging winds, and large hail in this one as well. And this is going to be moving up towards South Huntington as we head through the next several hours, and should be towards Greensburg by the time, or I should say South Huntington in the next couple of minutes. It should be by Greensburg by the top of the hour. Some of the areas near Uniontown, this is between 119 and 51, between Uniontown and Connellsville, have seen over 2 inches of rainfall. That could trigger some flooding. We're also watching some very heavy rain as you look into southern parts of Allegheny County, coming out of Washington County, and that's going to be moving up towards Greensburg through the South Hills, potentially with this from Thompsonville towards Ross Raver, damaging winds and hail. This is going to be moving up towards McKeesport by the time we get to 6:20, so it's getting into McKeesport. It's going to continue on towards Penn Hills by the time we get towards 6:40, 6:45. We continue north of Pittsburgh, and we were looking at that shot off the top of Gateway Center, and it's this cluster of storms that has a severe thunderstorm warning on it for another 10 minutes, but it's starting to break up, which is a good sign. However, this is going to be moving towards Cranberry by the time we move into the next 5 minutes or so, towards Butler by the time we get to 6:40, 6:45. And that particular cluster of storms had the potential for some large hail, but it looks like just some pretty gusty winds with that one right now. Outside of Katanning, that severe thunderstorm has been allowed to expire. Some good news there, but a lot of activity going on. You'll notice back in Ohio, the storms are losing steam. We're losing the heat of the day, so we're losing the storm. So things are going to start to calm down and just become scattered rain showers, which is the way we need to get this precipitation. Temperatures literally everywhere. 71 in Wheeling. You go to Pittsburgh, it's 82. Up in Cranberry, here where I am, 88. It's 88 in Indiana, but you go down the road to Greensburg, it's 93. So temperatures, 70s, 80s, and 90s. We're going to see these thunderstorms over the next couple of hours. It's going to become rain showers scattered overnight and through the first half of your Saturday. Into the afternoon, we could get some rumbles of thunder coming in, but that should be about it. We're not anticipating severe weather tomorrow. That'll dry up. First half of Sunday looks good. And then the second half of Sunday comes with additional thunderstorms. Those will last into Monday. So when it comes to the forecast over the next several days, we are looking at temperatures between now and Tuesday to stick in the 80s. That's where you'd like those temperatures to be. Then we're looking at temperatures in the 90s as we head into next week. Again, a few days of temperatures in the 90s, and that means we could be looking at another heat wave. And with the severe weather, you know that the KDKA weather app is an important tool to have when those thunderstorms come rumbling into your neighborhood. It gives you alerts when there's heavy precipitation nearby. It gives you alerts when there's severe weather nearby. Plus, it has an interactive radar where you can zoom in and see where those storms are, plus put storm tracks on them. And there's a FUTURECAST built in there, too. It's absolutely free, and all you have to do is search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.